everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've got a dual SIM phone and find managing those SIM cards a bit of puzzle, you're in the right place. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to effectively manage your SIM cards. So let's get started. First off, let's understand why dual SIM phones are such a game changer. They allow you to use two different phone numbers on a single device. This is perfect for separating your work and personal life, traveling abroad, or optimizing mobile data plan. Now let's dive into the steps to manage your SIM cards like a pro. Step 1 is all about inserting your SIM cards correctly. Most dual SIM phones have a SIM tray where you can insert both cards. Make sure your phone is powered off before you begin. Use the eject tool to carefully slide out the tray and place your SIM cards in the designated slots. Then slide the tray back in. Moving on to the step 2, setting up your SIM cards in your phone settings. Once your phone is back on, head to settings, then networks and wireless, then click on dual SIM settings. Here you can name each SIM according to its purpose like work or personal, making them easier to identify. Step 3 involves customizing your SIM preferences. You can decide which SIM to use for mobile data, calls, or text. And there you have it, folks. Managing dual SIM cards doesn't have to be complicated. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming a dual SIM master. Don't forget to experiment with your phone settings to find the perfect setup for your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.